Hi everyone! If your space heater makes a weird noise while you're using it, probably something is going wrong. Luckily, you're in the right place. I'm an electrical engineer and I'm going to tell you everything about what you need to know to make sure that your space heater is safe to operate and so you can just sleep comfortably again without worrying too much. So I have a space heater here myself and sometimes it makes a weird popping noise or clicking noise. And in this video I'm going to tell you everything about the different noises space heaters can make, whether it's a buzzing noise or a clicking noise or a humming noise. And I'm going to tell you whether it's a noise to worry about or whether you can stop worrying and keep heating. So the first noise that often occurs with space heaters is a clicking noise. Clicking noises oftentimes appear when you turn your space heater on and then it heats up and the surface material contracts or expands, and the friction and tension when it releases produces that clicking noise. So it's not a dangerous thing to have. A clicking noise is always or mostly nothing to worry about. So currently I'm sitting here with my space heater, and when I leave it on, after about 10 minutes or 15 minutes it starts doing these clicking noises. But it's perfectly safe. There's another situation where these kinds of noises can appear. For example, when you have a space heater with a built-in thermostat. And oftentimes thermostats have a so-called two-point control. And these two-point controls control this temperature by switching the space heater power on and off over and over again to keep the heat stable. But what happens is that each time the space heater automatically turns on and off, a so-called relay is activated or deactivated, and relays are electrical components which make this clicking noise. So a clicking noise is mostly a safe sign. Either it happens because the space heater warms up or cools down and tension releases, or you have a thermostat with a so-called two-point control, and that two-point control causes the clicking noise. So that's nothing to worry about. But there are also other noises with space heaters. For example, there must be some way that the power your space heater receives from the wall outlet is transformed to heat. And during this power conversion, there must be some kind of transformer. And these transformers convert high voltage to lower voltage or low voltage to higher voltage, depending on what your space heater needs. And because they work with AC, which is alternating current, they start vibrating a little. And this small amount of vibration causes a humming sound. And the humming sound is nothing to worry about at all. It's a perfectly safe sound and you can stop worrying. It's an ordinary sound that's caused by a transformer during power conversion. So humming is safe as well. So up until now we discussed the clicking noise and the humming noise. But there are other types of noises which are not safe signs. For example, a screeching noise, when your space heater sounds similar to humming but like something is broken. Usually that happens when a transformer has an issue. For example, a connection broke or something is not as solid as it should be. Then there could be a screeching noise, in which that is really uncomfortable to listen to. And these screeching noises are usually a bad sign and tell you that your space heater should be replaced. You can theoretically fix that yourself by soldering or hiring an electrician to do that. However, I think as long as you're not an expert in electronics and electricity and stuff like that, I think you should rather just buy a new space heater. If you hire an electrician, that's perfectly fine as well. He will be able to fix it. However, they often cost a lot, and instead of just hiring an electrician, you can simply buy a new space heater. And the fourth sound a space heater oftentimes makes is a squealing noise, which is a really noisy and annoying sound. And this can occur when the heating elements, for example, those two heating elements in my space heater, start working not the way they are supposed to, and then they can produce these squealing noises. They often occur with very high frequencies and get really annoying. They are usually a sign that your heating element needs to be replaced or that your space heater in general is not very good anymore. And the fifth sound your space heater makes is a buzzing noise. A buzzing noise it's really hard to tell what a buzzing noise exactly tells you about your space heater. Sometimes it could be the transformer that causes the noise, similar to the humming noise that we covered in the beginning. However, buzzing noises can also be a bad sign. I think the best way to tell whether a buzzing noise is a bad thing, just by thinking about how did the space heater sound right at the beginning. How did my space heater work when it was new? So this space heater is pretty new and doesn't produce any sounds, or at least it doesn't produce any sounds that are really noticeable. And when it starts buzzing, then I know, okay, something's going wrong. But if you have a new space heater and it buzzes right from the beginning, then you can safely assume that your space heater is working the way it's supposed to, and the buzzing is perfectly normal. If you're still unsecure about the sounds that your space heater produces, then I would suggest calling an electrician or someone who knows about electricity, and if you're worried about your space heater, then simply replace it and get a new one. On my website heatertips.com/recommended-products you can find 4 different heater types that I recommend for you to get, which are my favorite all-time heaters, which I totally rely on and which are perfect models to get. If you think your heater needs to be replaced, then type this website into your browser or check the description down below where you'll find the link, and simply go to the website and check the heaters out that I recommend. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think I could help you, then simply hit the like button and leave a comment down below. I would be so glad if you did, because that helps me and the algorithm to push this video, and so more people can see it. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Bye.